Two groups of students, Class A and Class B, were given a puzzle to solve. The times taken in seconds for each member of each group is shown below. We want to represent this as a back-to-back stem and leaf diagram. Now, as we're doing a stem and leaf, first of all we'll do an unordered one. So this is not our final answer. So we want the smallest piece of data, and amongst this first group, the smallest one I can see straight off is the 39. We can always adjust for that later on. And in the second group, there's nothing smaller than that. If we look at the top group, the largest one I can see straight away is the 85. Again, we can adjust for that later. And if we look at this group, can we see anything that's bigger than the 80s? No, I can't. But we can always adjust for that in a moment. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is my stem. I've left a little space here in case I do need to adjust. Now let's put A on this side and B on this side. So 39, 42, 52, 61, 71, 82, 91. So I missed that one. I'll just adjust for it. 47, 54, 64, 72, 85, 58, 64, 72, 87, 66, 73, 67, 78, 76, and 75. Then do the same for B over here. So what have we got? We've got 45, 51, 60, 70, 81, 53, 62, 71, 81, 57. I put that in the wrong place. I put that by 47. You've got to be careful with these things. 57, 63, 71, 83, 58, 63, 72, 86, 66, 72, 66, 74, 68, 76, 69, 78, 69, and 79. Then what we're going to do is straighten that out so that it's an ordered list. This is our final answer. That's why it doesn't matter if you do a couple of adjustments here. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then we're going to put them in order. Now I think the way I had the data, they are reasonably in order anyway. There's a couple of things need shuffling. But it's important to have equal spacings. So 2, 7. And this one is 2, 4, and 8. Then 1, 4, 4, 6, 7. So that's already in order. And 1, 2, 2, 3. This one does need altering. 1, 2, 2, 3. And then 5, 6, 8. And then 257, that one's okay. And 1. And then over here we've got 5, then we've got 1378. Then we've got 0, 2, 3, 3, 6, 6, 8, 9. Getting quite near to the edge of the video, I hope that's on. And 0, 1, 1, 2, 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. That one's definitely gone off the edge, I think. And 1, 1, 3, 6. And that's it. We need a key. So actually I'm going to use the value where I've got something either side of it. So put 4 in the middle. And what does that mean? That means, because this was class A, this was class B, so it means 49 for A, and probably my key should actually be somewhere else. I will tidy that up. I'm not worrying about those values if they went off the side of the video. You saw me doing them. So we've got the key down here, so if I do 4, 2, 5 means 42 for class A and 45 for class B. It's really important to have a key. Now you're asked to comment. There's all sorts of things you can comment on. You can say, well, the quickest time was from class A, but also the slowest time, so class A has the greater range. So those are the sorts of things you could say. The range is obviously less with this one. We could go ahead and do all sorts of things and find medians and stuff, but we don't really need to. Other than that, the distributions are actually, if you look at them, reasonably the same shape. So that's something else that you could comment on, although the range is greater here. On the whole, the distributions are fairly similar.